Good day and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video, I will show you how to replace a backup reverse light switch. When you try to reverse your car, if the reverse light don't work, it's possible that you got a bulb that's gone. It's possible that you got a fuse that's gone, but if you've checked all of those and it's fine, highly likely the culprit is this one. Over time, it could happen that it fails. So I will show you where it's located and how to change it. To have access to the sensor, we will have to remove this part of the console. For this, very easy. We remove the ashtray, we press it in, it comes off, perfect. Now you will see two screws at the end. You will use a star screwdriver, you will remove that. Okay. Once done, you will pull this, the inside, and you will remove the plug that's on the side. Like so. Okay, now we will remove the rubber and we'll pull it off. Okay, great. Now with a flat screwdriver you will pull that carpet a bit out, okay, so that it's out of the way, like so. And now what we do, we pull this out because here there's a clip and you don't want to damage it. Okay, you go gently. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to come off. Don't pull it out because you will break it. Okay, sometimes it comes directly and sometimes it jammed. If not, you remove this like so. Then you remove the other one, and sometimes it's easier that way because this actually block. It should be able to come off, but just in case. Okay, you see I put it out that way, same thing, I remove it at the bottom and now it should come off nicely. That's it, you see, now it's off. Okay, and here we go. Now we have it, it's here. Okay, let me show you now how to remove this. Now to remove it, look, it's round here and in front you've got two little clips. So we're gonna press it with the fingers and push it towards the radio. Like so, you see, now it's coming off. Great. Now we're gonna remove it from the plug. So same thing, we press it and take it off. Like so. This is the part, okay, and why it doesn't work is because when we place the reverse, this press that button and this put the white lights on at the back. Okay, so now when this has a problem, obviously it doesn't make its function and obviously it won't work anymore. Okay, so just replace this part and you will be good to go. I will place, of course, as usual, the part number on the video, okay, but just in case, make sure that it is correct. Okay, when you will remove that part, just look at it. You've got a part number on it, because just in case your car is earlier than mine or later, a later model, it is possible that this part will have changed. Okay, when comes the time to mount it back, I would strongly advise you to mount everything back except those. Okay, and once you reach that level, basically you just pull those ones up, grab the other one first. Okay, this one you pull it up, put through here. Okay, and the other one as well, you mount it, put it in, and you are good to go. You see, it's so much easier that way. Okay, that's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care of yourself.